Hello everyone, welcome to this amazing video, and today I want to talk about the Mark Zuckerberg, a name that completely changed the world. His story, his journey and why he inspired me as a computer science student. Because Mark Zuckerberg was born on the 14th May 1984 in the US, and from a very small young age Mark was interested to in computers and programming. And when other kids were playing games, and Marx was creating gaming software. At the age of age, at the age of 12, Marx built a messaging software called JuckNet for his family. This clearly shows that he interested in coding in very early age. Later, Marx joined Harvard University, where he studied computer science in 2004. While he was still a student, he created a website called Facebook in his college hostel room. At first, Facebook was only for the Harvard student, but slowly Facebook expanded to other universities than the whole world. Because of Facebook fast growth, Mark dropped out the Harvard to focus completely on his company. Today, Meta is the group of Mark Zuckerberg's companies and that connect the billion of peoples around the world. And Mark became one of the most youngest billionaire in history. But Mark's journey was not easy. He faced criticism, legal issues, technical challenges, public pressures, and many people said that Facebook would fail. But Mark did not stop. He only focused on improving the product, learning from mistakes, and writing better code solutions. It so it shows that failure is a part of success, especially in the tech field. Now we come on a very important point, that what we can learn from the Mark Zuckerberg. And as a CSC student, I learned many things from the Mark. First one is the start early. You do not need a degree to start coding. Skills matter more than the certificates. And the second thing is build real life projects. Facebook was not just a theory, it was a real project. Pick a single problem and work on the problem solution. Third one is the think big. Mark did not create Facebook only for the marks or college work. He want to connect billions of people through around the world. And the fourth point is do not fear from failure, because mistakes helps to grow as a good programmer. And the fifth one is the consistency matters. Daily coding and learning are important than the motivation. And Marx proved that a CSE student can change the whole world, because Marx only started with a computer and coding skills.